Hey guys, we are back with the Kingkong Fly Egg 130. I've upgraded it a little bit, not upgraded it, I just modded it out a little bit. What I did was I took the whole thing apart and I changed the battery cable from the balanced plug here, the 2S balance plug, to a JST. Hopefully that helps out. And what I also did was I moved the receiver from the bottom recessed area here, took it out and rerouted it on top, and I just double-sided sticky taped it right on top of the transmitter. So that is working out. It is holding on there. It's the XM receiver, and it has the antenna kind of twirled around and stuck underneath inside of that shrink wrap, and a little bit is sticking out. So I stuck it out a little bit more, and I put a little zip tie right on the front standoff and routed it through there, put a little coffee straw to hold the antenna in place, and put a little dab of hot glue so that the straw doesn't fly out. So hopefully that kind of helps out. I haven't flown it yet with this setup. I've been having dropouts with this quadcopter on my first video, and I believe it is mainly due to this connector for the battery. So now that we have a JST connector, we are able to use the other 2S batteries, and also I'm able to use a 3S battery on this one. So we're gonna test that out. So let's go and test that out. All right, we are ready to go with the 2S battery and the JST connector on the Kingkong 130. Arming the motors. All right.
2.0.
Looks pretty good. Reset the timer here. 100-meter bush, no problem. And I just floating in air here. Nice. So far so good, guys. Nice. I don't feel that twitching anymore. Nice. Carefree flying, don't have to worry about it dropping out of the air anymore. And this is a really nice flyer, guys. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Nice. Yes. So the problem is the JST plug. Mine came with that balance plug, and that was the reason why it was having those dropout issues. And just by switching over to the JST, I'm able to fly it with the 2S battery without worry. Nice. Very nice quadcopter, man. So that is the problem, guys. So don't be hesitant in ordering one of these guys here. All you gotta do is change it to the JST plug if yours come with the balance plug. And I was talking to a frequent flyer, and his unit came with the JST connector and not the balance connector. And a lot of other people have already gotten their units, and they all look like they got the JST connector, except me. So I think mine maybe have been a earlier production unit, and they changed it over to the JST connector now. So, and it works perfectly fine with the JST connector. Check it out. And I still have my same PIDs. I set it to Betaflight default settings on the PIDs, and just up the D values to 30 and 35, and it's flying fantastic. So all right, bring it in for a landing, and I'm very happy that it does not have that twitching problem anymore. Let me see if I can land it right on the landing pad. Nice. All right. All right, guys, just got done flying the Kingkong 130, and with the new JST plug and the receiver on the top, I'm pretty sure the reason why it did not have any dropouts this time around is because of the JST plug. Like everybody else's Kingkong 130, they received it and they don't have any dropouts, but mine did, because mine came with a balance plug. So as you can see, the wire on the balance plug is really skinny, and on this JST plug, the new connector, it is a little bit heavier gauge. So that is the main reason why I was having that uncontrollable flips in the air, guys. So if you get this on your Kingkong 130, toss this out, switch it over to a JST, or even better, get the XT30. I think that is the new standard for battery connectors now. Some of them is coming out with XT30 as well. And I've been using the same battery that I had dropouts with yesterday. So that is the main problem, guys. So what I'm going to do now is try my hand at a 3S battery. I know, hopefully I don't burn a motor. So I'll take it easy, but I'll try it out with the 3S battery. So let's go and check that out. All right, here we go with the 3S battery. Arming it. All right, I'm gonna just take it easy. 100-meter bush one more time.
0.
Man, this thing just climbs in the air and I cannot even hear it, so nice. Woohoo! Woohoo! Nice. Yeah. JST plug, guys. Wonder why they put that balance plug in the first place. Woohoo! All right, problem is fixed, and the Kingkong 130 is flying without any
1.
worry. So worry-free flying without any twitching problems. So maybe all of the other quadcopters that I had kind of that twitching problem was the battery cable or the battery. So that is one of the things got to take a note of. So whenever you are fixing up your quadcopter and you get a brand new quadcopter with a JST plug or even a
30
balance
seconds.
plug that is insufficient looking, change it out to an XT30, or in my
20
case,
seconds.
the JST plug, and that has done the trick for me. So nice.
10, 9,
All right,
8,
I'm a happy
7,
guy. That is my
5,
flight
4.
with the Kingkong 130 with the JST plug and with a 3S battery. Nice. Thank you everybody for watching, and we will see you again next time.